Sorry. What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna do a dirt bike review that I got like 2 years ago. Well, I just didn't know a video idea, so I just thought of anything. And I'm gonna show you my dirt bike. I mean, it's not the best, but it's pretty fast. I need to charge it up though, so yeah. Here's my dirt bike. Need good lighting. It's called the it's a Razor. I don't know the exact name. MX 500, I guess. This runs for about 30 minutes. It starts to slow down about after 20. It's electric. As you can see, it's cords. The number's 4, and back here, like this wheel, it's like thick. Like most bikes have the back wheel thick, but this it's like meant for off-roading, because yeah, these wheels are made for off-roading. Oh, there's something on the wheel. Whatever. Yeah. The seat is cushiony too. Oh, it goes about 15 miles per hour. But if you go down a hill, it's like 25 miles per hour and I got this really steep hill like right by my house. And if you go down that's like 30 miles per hour. And it's fun. I almost got hit by a car today because I was doing that and a car was coming. But the street's pretty wide, so yeah. But there's not much I know about the bike, so sorry if I'm like reviewing it really bad. This might be a cringy video, but screw it. I just need something. Oh, and these brakes are good and the grip is really comfy. And oh, this needs clean. It's all dusty from sitting in the basement. Oh, these pegs, if you do get this, you always need shoes, because these pegs will scratch the crap out of you. And I had shorts on, and I was driving it, and I got off of it for a second, and I scratched my both my legs at the same time. But here's the thing, I don't know what to call it. Like when you're riding it, it'll like when you pull this, when you pull that, if it's like dying, it'll that low, the part that says low turns yellow, and then full power. Yeah, it'll turn green if it's charged when you pull this. Wait, where's it at? It's on right now. Yeah, it doesn't really screech, but this thing is down, so that makes a weird noise. That sounds weird. Oh, I could do a quick fake Cinemax or whatever it's called. Bum 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 bum. I forget where I got this. Oh yeah, it's number 4. Don't put any pressure on that, because that'll break. Oh, sorry about that toy. Baby brothers. Yeah, there's the bike. If this video was really boring, still give it a like. I'm not good at reviewing things. I don't know much about it, but yeah. Well, I guess that's all for the video. Leave a like. comment if anyone watches this. I don't think anybody watches this but Cortez. Shout out to you, Cortez. I know this video is not going to go viral or anything. Probably going to get like 1 view. But to all the people watching my video, leave a like and comment. Comment video ideas. Peace.